The Pyramids of Giza. The three largest pyramids of Giza are the tombs of ancient Egyptian rulers, known as pharaohs, Khufu, Khafre, and Menkaure. The Pyramid of Khufu was built in 2550 BC. It took about 20 years to build it. Also known as the Great Pyramid, it is made of more than 1 million limestone blocks. On an average, each block weighs 2.5 tons. The pyramid was the tallest built structure in the world for more than 3,800 years. It contains 3 known burial chambers. The Pyramid of Khafre, son of Khufu, has many statues in and around it. One of these is known as the Sphinx, which may be the representation of Khafre. The Sphinx looks like a lion with a human head. It was built to guard Khafre's tomb. The Pyramid of Menkaure, son of Khafre, is the smallest of the three. The burial chamber inside is lined with pink granite. Archaeologists marvel at how the pyramids were built. The ancient Egyptians did not have machines to measure and lift building materials, yet they managed to build these huge structures. The pyramids were filled with treasure that was buried with the pharaohs after they died. It included gold, statues, clothing, jewelry, food, and even boats. The ancient Egyptians believed that all these things would help the pharaohs in their afterlife. The pyramids also had secret passageways to trap robbers who tried to steal the burial treasure. Eventually, the ancient Egyptians stopped building large pyramids because they were easy targets for robbers. Pharaoh Tutankhamun was buried in a secret tomb in the Valley of the Kings that wasn't discovered until 1922. The ancient Egyptians believed that anyone who entered the tombs would be cursed.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.